Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to understand what's inside the microcontroller and also inside the CPU of the microcontroller. Let's get started. Basically, inside the microcontroller we have the CPU, RAM, ROM, IO ports, and additionally we have all the peripherals of the microcontroller. But inside the CPU we actually have two different parts. First one is the central processing unit, which actually directs the operation of the processor by telling the memory, ALU and IO devices how to respond to the program instructions. And the second thing is the arithmetic logic unit of the microcontroller, which actually does all the arithmetic and logical operations which is required by the program, and also it contains the register bank, that is this one. And among this register bank of 16 registers, R0 to R12, totally 13 registers are general purpose registers, which actually does or useful for doing all the arithmetic and logical operations of numbers, etc. These three registers, R13 is a stack pointer which actually stores the top of the stack, and R14 is the linker register which actually stores the return address of the function when a function call is made, and R15 is the program counter which is most widely useful for storing the next instruction which needs to be executed in the program. And all these three, R13, R14, R15, are special function registers. And additionally, the stack pointer is of two types. One is main stack pointer and another one is program stack pointer. We will see in detail about these two in the future videos, and these three are generally special function registers meant for a purpose. But R0 to R12, all these 13 registers are meant for general purpose, so it is called as general purpose registers in the CPU. And additionally we have special function registers of these, you can see on the right, and these registers are most widely useful for giving you the program status and operational defines of the program. PSR is program status registers, and prime mask, fault mask and base pry or interrupt status registers, which is useful for giving you the status of interrupt and exceptions. And control register is a control register of the ARM Cortex-M processor. And I hope you learnt the internals of the CPU in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.